But one area that is seeing an increase in manufacturing jobs is the southeastern portion of the country, thanks in part to the rapid expansion of the auto and aerospace industries. Phil LeBeau reports from South Carolina, a state that's leading the way in manufacturing job growth.
From Boeing's assembly line outside of Charleston to the Michelin tire plant near Columbia, South Carolina has become a hub for manufacturing.
Nationally, 12% of the GDP of our country is manufacturing. In South Carolina, it's now up to 18%. So something really, really special is happening.
What's happening is the result of an intense push by South Carolina leaders to attract aerospace and auto manufacturing jobs, helping push down the state's unemployment rate. Recently, Volvo picked South Carolina over Mexico for a new assembly plant that will employ 2,000 people. Governor Nikki Haley says convincing companies not to build south of the border means offering them a better option.
The way we can step up is, certainly cost you can only go so far, but we can step up on our training with our workforce, and we can step up with the business environment and how we proceed going forward.
A big reason why Made in South Carolina has become so popular is because manufacturers like BMW can ship their products around the world. In fact, the Port of Charleston has now become one of the busiest on the East Coast.
The infrastructure is really, really good, and particularly our emphasis on ports, because we bring in a lot of raw material, specifically natural rubber from Southeast Asia, and we export a lot, particularly in this large earth mover tire plant where we export 50% of what we make through the ports.
Made in South Carolina, the new face of manufacturing in America. Phil LeBeau, Nightly Business Report, Charleston, South Carolina.